If your Windows key is not working in Windows 10 and 11, then here is the fix for you. At first, go to the search bar and type settings. Open the settings window, and from the left menu, go to accessibility. Scroll up it down till you find keyboard and click on it. And make sure the filter keys is turned off like so. Once done, you can close this window. Go to the search bar once again, and this time type Task Manager and open it. And here at the top, search for Windows Explorer. And once you found this Windows Explorer processes, we are going to right click on it and select Restart. Now you can check if this fixed the issue. If not, go to the search bar once again, and this time type Device Manager, open it, and here select Keyboards and expand it with the arrow near it, and update the drivers available over here. Make sure you use the latest drivers. Do that with all the drivers and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then there is a final fix for you, which is to press Windows and F9 button at the same time and see if that fixes your issue. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.